I guess I've never thought about it in those phases before, but I think the startup and big company, actually, which may seem counterintuitive, but it's the kind of the growth, and don't get me wrong, I think we actually are still a growth story. So there's that phase of things, but I think I get what you mean by the question. When you're in that middle phase, at least for us, you're focused on things that don't have to do with product development and making a better user experience. You are largely focused on, oh my gosh, suddenly we have to figure out how to go and write 1,000 checks a week to merchants. And you have to do that. That's problem solving. It's kind of fun to do that. But my background and what I've done my whole career has basically been consumer-facing product development. And in that phase, I probably spent the least amount of time actually on that. And once you've achieved a level of scale and you've built out a team from an operational perspective, I've been able to get back to that more, which I think is great for the company, and it's great for me overall. So the scaling part, that's when you get the most press, when people think it's the most sexy, but it's also when you're probably working on the stuff that you don't like the most, which is a really interesting dynamic, because at the beginning it's all about product development, and then when you find something, it's all about scaling, and then once you've scaled, it's all about how do we take this and go and do more product development into other areas. And so I think that that just tends to be where I have skewed. So.